You saw that we have the patch for the plywood and then another layer of, I believe that is it's a little over ½ inch of plywood. I've got that screwed down, all the screw heads caulked in, sealed it with caulk and with expanding foam per YouTube University. I've got my drain area plugged up. I just used an empty gallon bottle of windshield wiper cleaner, and it worked perfect. I just cut the top off, slid it down in there. Soon I'm going to be putting on this self leveler, and we're just going to be coming up to the level of that sill plate there, which is level with this, which will give us a nice level foundation for our shower pan. But before I can do that, after I've got all these things sealed up, we use this Mapei primer tee for all-purpose self-leveler. So apparently this stuff gets really, really watery and can actually find holes to leak down in. So this is now like a little miniature bathtub or swimming pool. Next we'll be mixing that up, but we gotta let this stuff dry for at least 3 hours. So, okay, so here is what I've got. We have poured our self-leveler, the Mapei. You put about 5 to 5.5 liters into a bucket and you mix 50 pounds of the self-leveler. Why you mix metric measurements with American measurements, who knows? But anyway, it came out good. We poured it into our cavity. It took 2 bags. So it took 100 pounds of leveler, which is contrary to what it says on the bag. It says if for an inch thick, it should take 6 square feet. So 6 square feet would be 3 feet by 2 feet. So I guess this is 5 feet by 3. All right, so I was wrong. Yeah, so I guess it did take two bags. But anyway, it flowed nicely. I was able to pour them one after the other, so neither had set up. And it is, of course, I mixed it with an agitator. Well, mixed it per their instructions, but when I poured it, I kind of ran a stake through here. You can see my latte designs here. And so it seems to be finding its natural level. I knew that this floor is slightly out of level. It dips a little there, which is kind of cool because you can see the overspill there. And then it comes to about level there. So I don't know if I have to dam that up. I might put some tape there and make a little dam so it doesn't all start pouring out of that area before it sets up. It doesn't seem to be going that way, but I will fill you in. Alrighty, looks like it worked out okay. It's set up nicely. And let's see. The dam seemed to work pretty well. Gooey. It's awesome. This is where it was coming out bad. Perfect. Sweet. We'll clean that all up. And we will commence to setting our pan. This is the drain that's going to have to get down into that hole. So this is the kind of a fern coat type of thing. This is the connector for the bottom of the, this will be on the top of the inside of the shower pan. This is the bottom of the shower pan. It fits down nicely, got plenty of room here. And then this little gizmo goes in here, and what it does is it cranks down this, I don't want to tighten it, but it cranks down this inner ring, which squashes that rubber gasket against the PVC pipe, and then it gets finished off with the grate. So anyway, got plenty of clearance to work. Pretty psyched about that. Have I mentioned to you lately that besides being my good dog Wilson's human being of choice, and having been a former licensed contractor for many years, I've also been a realtor full-time for 28 years. and I'm here to help you with your buying and selling projects. So if you've got something coming up, please give me a call. Carl J. Galler from Realty Experts, 443-250-3726. I'd love to help you with your next project. Give me a call. Hope to hear from you.